What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the fluid level in your transfer case on this 2010 Toyota RAV4. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So underneath the vehicle, you want to make sure the vehicle is level while you're doing this. And in the front, we're going to use a hex socket. It's a 10mm hex socket and a ratchet. And the fill plug is located right here. So basically in between the transfer case and the transmission or the engine area right there. Loosen this up. Oh, it's on there pretty good. Oh, I need a pipe. I actually need a pipe to add a little leverage. There we go. Once I get it started, then I can take the socket off, or the ratchet off, because there's not a lot of room in here. So be careful, you don't want to get your ratchet stuck. So just break it free and then do it by hand. Pull that fill plug out. And the fluid level is right up to the base of the fill plug, which is good. That's where we want it to be. And actually on this vehicle, it has a little sticker right here that tells you what kind of fluid to use, which is nice. So 85W90 GL-5. So that's kind of nice. And then if you want, or if you have a gasket, you want to replace that fill plug gasket or seal. And put the fill plug back in. All right, get the socket on. Snug that up, not too tight. Then we'll take some brake parts cleaner, just clean it off. You can always take a rag and wipe it away. And you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.